Today I'm going to review a new product. This is a lockable present, which is pretty awesome. All you got to do is turn it, it unlocks, and you can open it. You put something cool in there, and people have to figure it out to get inside. So it just closes. You just turn the ribbon, and now it's locked. It will not open until you turn the ribbon back. Really cool mechanism here. I am getting into 3D printing, and because of that, you'll see some of my reviews. And this is one I really wanted to review because I thought it was awesome. And I am printing and selling these if you are interested. So I'll have it linked below in the video as well. And let me show you the other kinds. This is the blue, technically cyan, and matte red, and it looks really nice with the ribbon. Then I have one that is pink ribbon with cyan blue. These are more limited. I won't have a whole lot of these. And then finally, for the holidays, I have a green and matte red. Really awesome. And like I said, just turn it, open, and you have your own little box. Great for kids because they have to figure out how to open it to get in, and it's reusable, which is nice. Let me go through and show you a few clips to give you a little close-up. You're looking at the internal storage being 2.85 inches cubed. So anything 2.85 inches all the way around should go through and fit in here, no problem. Great for jewelry, small keepsakes, candies, minifigures, you know, cash, notes, or any surprise reveals, which is awesome. Like I said, this is going to be reusable, which is nice. I print these myself, so I will be creating it and shipping it to you. You can also go directly to my store, which is HelpfulTutorialsonYT. This is my first product. I do have more that are coming out. However, the future ones will be created by me. This one was just so cool that I definitely wanted to go through and work with this one. So I contacted the creator, and I'm allowed to go through and sell these to you. So if you're interested, check it out. And I will be printing them myself. There's a lot of different pieces, and they do go together. So first I have to print all the pieces and the mechanisms and the boxes, and then I put them together and use some glue, and then they are good to go. I think these are awesome. So definitely do recommend them, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you like my future things. I'm going to be making lots of products for problems that I think need to be solved that are not done to my standards. There's a lot of things out there that I like, and I'm like, this is good, but this could be better. And I'm going to be creating those. So I hope you stay tuned and check those out. My store will grow as we go. Thanks for watching.